بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome back to another lesson. This is lesson 57 of Surat Al-Baqarah, ayahs 136 to 138. We are here on ayah number 136. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قولوا. So this qaf with a waw, you remember that it just extends the qa. قولوا آمنا. So you have قولوا. This is just extends the lu here. These are not huruf al-mad, they extend the slight elongation of the lam. So qulu because you have a hamza alif, so it's not amanna but amanna. Right, then you have a mim, fatha manna. The noon, if you recall, is what? Ghunna. Amanna billahi. Billahi, not billahi, billahi. Whenever you have a kasra under the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you read billahi. قولوا آمنا بالله وما. Right? So this subtle sign on the alifs usually indicate a little bit of extension, what we call med. And if you recall, this is a beginner's class, so we're not going into the rulings too much, just pointing them out so you can see the signs and get the idea what it is. وَمَا أُنزِلَ. Now, unzila, this is a noon with a sukoon above, this is not written here. Unzila. Unzila. إِلَيْنَا. Lay, lam, ya, sukoon, lay, na, ilayna, wama unzila, ila Ibrahima. The ba is a letter. You'll see it in some copies of the Quran. If you have a tajweed colored one, it's often in green, called qalqala. Ibrahima. Instead of Ibrahima, Ibrahima. And you see how it facilitates the reading, right? If you say Ibrahima, it doesn't sound as nice as Ila Ibrahima. See how it just flows? Qalqala assists that. Just slightly doubles it. Ibrahima wa Ismaila. Isma. There's a long alif. Ma'ila. This is a ain ya. Ya is a sukoon, so extends the e sound. Ila. Ismaila. Wa Ishaqa. Right, you have a long alif on the ha. Ishaqa. Wa Ya'quba. Okay. Wal wa alif lam drops, goes into the hamza here. Wal. Do you all see that? We've done this a lot of times. Wal. You go straight from here to that lam with a sukoon. Wal. This drops. Wal as. As. There's the hamza seen as sukoon. As bati. والأسباط وما أوتي موسى وعيسى وما أوتي. So some people have asked me to repeat the ayah. I try not to do it for time reasons because it takes long. But we'll just read from here, okay? إلى إبراهيم وإسماعيل وإسحاق ويعقوب والأسباط وما أوتي موسى وعيسى وما أوتي. Okay, so like that. Now we're going from here, we're going to mix وَمَا أُوتِيَ, ya, right there. And then we're going to, this called what? Huruf Shamsiya. Where the alif lam, we don't say al-nabiyyin, nabiyun, right? We're going to say an-nabiyuna. Okay? So, an-nabiyuna. وَمَا أُوتِيَ النَّبِيُّونَ. And because this is a noon with a shadda fatha, this also is a ghunna. وَمَا أُوتِيَ النَّبِيُّونَ نَبِيُّونَ مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ. This is a noon with a sukoon, followed by a ra, مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ. Mir, you see, so it becomes mir. This drops and you go straight into the ra. Mir rabbihim la nufarriqu, right? La nufarriqu bayna ahadin. But what happens always with din, in, when you mix with a meme? That's why there's a shadda here. It is called assimilation or idgham, joining the two. So it becomes ahadim minhum, right? So ahadim minhum, it just assimilates straight into the meme. Ahadim minhum wa nahnu. Make sure you hit that ha well, right? وَنَحْنُ لَهُ مُسْلِمُونَ. Next ayah. فَإِنْ آمَنُوا. This alif extends the hamza. آمَنُوا بِمِثْلِ مَا آمَنْتُمْ. Okay. آمنتم. There's a rule we didn't cover too much, but whenever you have a meme with a sukoon followed by ba, this is also ikhfa. You're going to have to hold it. آمنتم به. Okay, like that. آمنتم به. Or you can read on. آمنتم به فقد اهتدوا. به or bih. You can either say ما آمنتم به, or it's better to continue به, right? به فقد. This drops. Go straight into the ha. فَقَدِ اهْتَدَوْا. وَإِن noon with a sukoon. We didn't have it here because it's not followed by a letter that has ikhfa. Here, noon with a sukoon is followed by a ta. So ta is a letter that makes the noon slightly elongated. So for example would be وَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَإِنَّمَا هُمْ فِي شِقَاقٍ. This qaf is also a letter of qalqala. So it's good. You could stop here. في شقاق. If you were to continue though, في شقاق, a kasratain followed by fa, or this could have been noon sakin. I don't want to go too much into that. That also would have brought about ikhfa. So it's best to stop here. Hum fi shiqaq. Then continue here. فسيكفيكهم الله فسيكفيكهم الله. Jim's always a good place to take your breath and pause. وهو 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 السميع وهو السميع العليم. عليم. Okay, we said we would do to 138, so one more ayah. This is a sad followed by a ba, so the ba is qalqala. صبغة الله صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة ونحن له عابدون صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة. So if you're stopping at a tan like that, it turns into a ha. Like that's a ha in the name of Allah Most High. صبغة الله ومن أحسن من الله صبغة. So you would be a ha sound. صبغة. If you were to stop, you don't say sibghat, right? Or sibghatan and stop. You would have to say صبغة وَنَحْنُ لَهُ عَابِدُونَ. Today was a little bit tricky. Hope that helps you all out. This is a beginner's class and not any type near mastery or perfect tajweed. You'd recommend that you learn how to read correctly, and inshallah then you'll find a tajweed teacher to perfect your reading, inshallah. But may Allah bless you all. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.